Mamshies, try natin tong mango tart from Virgie's. Right there. This is homemade from Bacolod. Bacolod, mga Mamshies. So, open na natin siya. Shall we? Let's like right there. So, sa isang packaging, may 12 siya. Okay, so, single packaging siya. Let's cut it open. Actually, there is like that. So, meron siyang ganun. Pero napunit ko na. Ayan. Tikman na natin siya. Para siyang maliit na empanada. Crunchy yung ano niya. Yung crust niya. Reminder, take note, this is from Philippines. So, crunchy pa siya. Mamshies, ang sarap na. Yung crush niya is so good. Yung mango niya, hindi ganun katamis. Mamshies, alam niyo na. It's a thumbs up. Guys, try naman natin itong Sunfresh. Right there. It's red seedless table grapes. Right there. Umiyak na yung baby ko kasi gusto na niyang tikman. So, tikman muna natin. Favorite niya kasi to. Ayan, ganyan siya. Malutong. Matamis siya, Mamshies. Sarap. Alam niyo na, Mamshies. This is a thumbs up. Mga Mamshies, we're gonna try this dark chocolate with key lime pie. Right here, flavored filling. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Tangy key lime flavored. Yummy. Let's try it.
Mommy?
Yes, we're gonna try it. It's a full thing. Yeah. My baby. Okay. We're gonna have to try it first. She wants to try it. So right there. Wait, Mommy has to try it first. Okay, get up. So that's how it looks like right there. Okay, let's try it.